Today I'm going to be showing you guys how to export something from Schoology into Goodnotes. So you're going to go to Schoology, you're going to hit these three little lines, and you're going to click courses. Now I'm just going to go to science because I have to download something from science anyways, but you're just going to go click the class that you need. You're going to click on the folder that it's in, or if it's just a plain document, you're going to find what you need. So I'm going to need bell ringers for week 5-7 to 5-11. I'm going to hit View Attachment, click on the PDF, and once it downloads, I'm going to make sure I have the right thing. And then I'm going to hit this little arrow. It kind of looks like an arrow in a box. I'm going to hit it, and it's going to give me options, whether I want to add it to Notes, Email, Chrome, but I want to hit it to Goodnotes. I want to copy to Goodnotes. Then it's going to take me to Goodnotes, and I want to put it in Try 3 Science. And after it's in Try 3 Science, I can go in and work on it.
First thing you do is you click the three dots in the corner and you click export. If you have one page, you click current page. If you have more than one page, you click all pages. Then you want to make sure your format is a PDF. And then you want to click export. Then you want to click external apps. Then you want to click Schoology. Once you get it to Schoology, you want to pick Submit to Assignment. Then you want to pick which one it is. This one's Math. And then you want to find the name of the assignment, and this assignment is Scavenger Hunt. Then you want to pick Upload. To check if you submitted it or if a teacher says you didn't submit it, you go to the three arrows in the corner and you click Courses and you click on the class. Then you find the assignment and you click on it. Then you click on Submissions and it will show up.